behalf of Expert Village, I'm Terry, and today I'm going to show you how to use a welder.
Okay, this is what we call a portable welder. One of the first things you want to do is make sure you check the oil and the gas before you start it up. It runs off of a generator. Most of these are equipped with an oil sensor. If your oil's too low, the engine won't run. It'll run on startup and it'll shut right off. So from past experience, you want to make sure you check your oil before you leave to go out on the job. This welder has a lot of controls and fine dials on it. You can control the dig or how much burn-in you have. This is your prime setting. It can run on idle, or it can run on constant speed, where it doesn't wait for you to start an arc before it starts generating. It's constantly generating. You can also use it as just a generator. It has 110 outlets as well as the 130 volt outlets. You can run 220 off this generator. You can plug in your TIG and your TIG torch and your TIG pedal here. That's where your electrodes plug into. So this is a pretty nice all-around welder. You're welding out in remote areas, fencing, and on pipeline maybe, or things like that, where you need electrical power and you don't have access to the amenities that we have in the city. So that's your portable welder.